This is Andrew from Email Marketing NYC, and today I'll explain to you what is Klaviyo global suppression versus list suppression, and I'll show you options which you can set up in Klaviyo. So let's say if somebody unsubscribes from one list, they can unsubscribe from all the lists. So global suppression, when they unsubscribe completely from your emails. So you will not be able to send them emails anymore. Other options, they can unsubscribe from specific lists. Let's say you have newsletter list and they click unsubscribe. When they unsubscribe, they will unsubscribe only from that specific list. So I'll show you how to set it up. Let's log into your Klaviyo account, and under your account, click here and click accounts. I just want to show you one feature. Click settings, click email settings, and on this page you have unsubscribes, and there's list unsubscribes. So this check mark, this is what Klaviyo recommends, and this is what I would recommend to you. So if person unsubscribe, to have it checked. So when they unsubscribe from one list, they unsubscribe completely from all of your accounts, because it most likely they do not want to receive emails from you. If they do like to receive emails from you, you should set up hosted pages. And I believe I already have YouTube, Klaviyo. If you type in Klaviyo hosted pages, custom script, yeah. So you can how to create custom Klaviyo unsubscribe page. So this is how you can do it. And yeah, so this is how you would be able to set up. So when they click unsubscribe, this screen will show. One second, hosted page. So when they click unsubscribe, this email preference page will show, they will see this email preference, and they would be able to click unsubscribe me from all emails and update preference. That's why it means they do not want to receive any kind of emails from you. That's why this part, so this part is very important to check this on. When you host it, when you have email preference page, it's very important to turn this on, to check this, because you giving them option to still be on your list if they check something, check on and check off something here, and you do update preference. Or when they unsubscribe me from all emails, you want to know, you do not want them to unsubscribe only from one list and be on another list. So you target them with another email, and they, like, next time they receive email from you, they click mark as spam, because in that case you are spam, like you're spamming them. They want to be they do not want to receive any emails from you. So this is how you use so this is the difference between global suppression, list suppression, and how to use, like, the best practices to use it.